Hi, my name is Jessica Strauss, and I will be teaching Algebra 1, Algebra 1A, and Liberal Arts Math. This is my 16th year of teaching. I originally graduated from Stetson University and got my master's from St. Leo, and it is my first year at Plant. Some of you may recognize me from my time at Mabry, but I'm really excited to meet all of you, whether it is virtually or in person, and can't wait to hopefully make you enjoy math as much as I do. For Algebra 1A, this is a 2-year course. You will be working 9th grade Algebra 1A and in 10th grade Algebra 1B, and we're getting you ready to take that EOC for Algebra 1 at the end of 10th grade. Obviously in Algebra 1, we're doing the same, getting you ready for that EOC, and in Liberal Arts Math, we're doing a combination of algebra and getting you ready for geometry. In terms of what you will need, basic stuff that you need for any class, we work with pencil. Make sure that you have a 1-inch binder and dividers, and make sure you have a working calculator. I'll get into more specifics on Canvas, and speaking of Canvas, if you aren't very familiar with Canvas, I recommend that you get online and you look up some of the different videos of how to use it. This is going to be our main platform of communication. I will be able to be reached through email on there. I will be posting due dates, test dates, resources, homework. You can take quizzes and tests online, and all your grades will be communicated through Canvas. So again, if you are not familiar with Canvas, and there will be time to learn, but you can go ahead and get a head start by getting online and looking up some of those how-to videos so you can start learning it. My number one rule in my classroom is effort, so I'm going to do everything in my power to make sure that you are getting the resources, the education, the support that you need to learn, but you have to help me ensure that that's going to be successful by giving me your best effort. If you have any questions, I can be reached at jessica.strauss, Strauss, at sdhc.k12.fl.us. I can't wait to meet everybody, and I hope you are enjoying the last bits of your summer.